Good evening, everyone. It's currently 1 a.m., like on the dot. It's raining pretty heavily outside, and I'm in a mood. So just sit back, relax, vibe with me, or let me put you to sleep if that's what you want. The trail was the very worst. When the flowers that we'd grown together died of thirst. It was months and months of back and forth. You stole over me like a wine-stained dress I can't wear anymore. Oh, my head is lost, the war and the sky turned black like a perfect storm. Rain came pouring down when I was drowning. That's when I could finally breathe. And the morning gone was any trace of you. I think I am finally clean. There was nothing left to do. When the butterflies turns to dust, they cover my home. So I punched a hole in the roof. I let the flood carry away all my pictures of you. The water filled my lungs. I screamed so loud, but no one heard a thing. Rain came pouring down when I was drowning. That's when I could finally breathe. And by the morning gone was any trace of you. I think I am finally clean. Think I am finally clean. Said I think I am finally clean. Oh, 10 months sober, I must admit. Just because you're clean don't mean you don't miss it. 10 months older, I won't give in. Now that I'm clean, I'm never gonna risk it. The trail was the very worst. When the flowers that we grown together times for a change. See the luck I've had, go make a good man turn bad. So please, 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 let me, let me, let me get what I want this time. Having a dream in a long time. See the life I've had, go make a good man bad. Ooh, so for once in my life, let me get what I want. Lord knows it will be the first time. Lord knows it will be the first time. Next, we're going to do a song by my favorite artist of all time, Mr. Ed Sheeran. Fortunately, he didn't sing this song when he came here, but it's one of my favorites and it's one of the most beautiful songs, in my opinion. I don't know, it's so simple, but it's just all the emotions are there. Anyway, here we go. This is called This. This is the start of something beautiful. This is the start of something new. You I wrote this for my best friends because I don't know, I love them. So let's see if I remember how it goes. Photograph with the winter light. Take a peek of your pose beside mine. The filter blue, yet it's warmth with you. Watch your face lit up as you smile, and I know you hide your tears behind your screen, even though you know just where you need to lean. Come to me, I've got the counts for you to breathe, and the arms to hold you tight as you need. We could go away, watch the stars with me today. The field exists just for us, and you know me hiding my tears behind my screen, even though I know just where I need to and I know you, and you know me, even though we know just where I need to leave. Thank you, everyone.